Happy day to all. Hi my little one. Hi my honey bunny. Welcome to online session. Welcome to English subject. Where is Shailaja? Shailaja?
Hi ma'am.
Shailaja, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you wearing mask?
No ma'am.
You have to wear mask because in this pandemic year you have to take care of your health, because health is very important. Very good. If you from today onwards, can you promise me that you will wear mask?
Okay ma'am.
Then let's do high five. Then we'll come to our English subject. Already you all familiar with few words.
Yes,
Let me check your previous knowledge. Let us do recapitulation.
Okay ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes ma'am.
Are you ready, Shailaja?
Yes ma'am.
A for
A for
Amma. A for
Amma.
Amma. A sound a a a.
A sound a.
B for
B for
brother.
brother.
B for
B for
brother.
brother.
B sounds
B sound
ba ba ba.
ba.
C for
C for
classroom.
classroom.
C for
C for
classroom.
classroom.
C sounds
C sound
ka ka ka.
ka.
D for
D for daddy.
that's perfect. D for
D for
daddy.
daddy.
D for
D for
daddy.
daddy.
D sounds
D sound
da da da.
da.
Now let us come to E letter. E. E for
E for
earth.
R.
E for
E for
earth.
R.
E sounds
E sound
a a a.
A.
F for
F for
family.
family.
F for
F for
family.
family.
F sounds
F sounds
fa fa fa.
fa.
G for
G for
yes,
globe.
very good. G for
G for
globe.
globe.
G sound
G sound
ga ga ga.
g.
H for
H for
honey.
honey. I
H.
like honey ma'am.
Do you like honey? Very good. Honey is also good for health. Okay. H for
H for
honey.
honey.
H sound
H sound
ha ha ha.
ha.
I for
I for
India.
India.
I for
I for
India.
India.
I sounds
I sound
e e e.
E.
J for
J for
J for
J for
jungle.
jungle.
J for
J for
jungle.
jungle.
J sound
J sound
ja ja ja.
ja.
J for
J for
jungle.
jungle.
J sound
J sound
ja ja ja.
ja.
Now we'll come to the letter K. K for
K for
Kannada.
Kannada.
K for
K for
Kannada.
Kannada.
K sounds
K sound
ka ka ka.
ka.
Let us do one time recapitulation. Now A for
Amma.
A sound. Very good. B for
Brother.
B sound.
B.
C for
Classroom.
C sound.
K.
D for
Daddy.
D sound.
D.
E for
E for R.
very good. E sound. A A A. F for
F for family.
family. F sound.
F.
F G for
G for glow.
Very good. G sound.
G, g, g.
H for
H for honey.
honey. H sound.
H sound.
Ha ha ha.
Ha, ha, ha.
I for
I for India.
I sound.
I sound.
I I I. J for
J for jungle.
jungle. J sound.
J sound.
J J J.
J, j, j.
K for
K for
Kannada.
Kannada.
K sound.
K sound.
Ka ka ka.
K, k, k.
Thank you, Shailaja. Thank you for your cooperation. Let's meet in the next online session. Till that, take care. Bye, Shailaja.
Bye.
Bye. Just now, we learned about words. I'm searching for my child, Shailaja. Where is she? Hi, Shailaja. How are you?
I'm fine.
Just now we learned how to pronounce along with phonics and we learned few words, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Now let us learn how to write the alphabets or
ma'am.
how to write the letters. If you see your English classwork or English homework, 4 lines will be like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this can be called as 4 lines notebook.
4 lines notebook.
Notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Here 4 lines are there, right? So only 4 lines notebook.
Okay.
Understand? So the first line color is red or pink. The first line color is
Red or pink.
exactly. The second line color is blue or purple.
Blue or purple. Okay.
Correct. The third line color is also blue or purple. The fourth line is can be pink or red.
Red, okay.
Understand? So we have to use first, second, third. Only 3 lines we have to use for writing the upper letters, upper alphabets. Let us know how to write. Now I am going to keep my point on the red line
Okay,
or pink line, standing line. Stop. We have
Only
to stop
3
here.
lines, no, ma'am?
Yes,
Only
we
3
have
lines
to
you
stop
have to
here
use.
only.
Okay.
If you are coming out of the line, ma'am will not give you star.
Okay, ma'am.
You want star? Write only in the 3
Okay,
lines.
ma'am.
On the line exactly, sleeping line.
Sleeping line.
Exactly. Here the midline is small sleeping line.
Small sleeping line. Okay, ma'am.
The downside little bit big sleeping line. This is E. What is this letter?
E.
E. Now
Capital E, no, ma'am.
yes, now we will come to lower letters.
Lower letter.
Lower letters almost will be inside or near to the blue or purple line.
Okay.
Only few lower letters can go up to the red line or pink line. Let us discuss now. Between the blue or purple line, first sleeping line.
Sleeping line. Okay, ma'am.
Then go up, touch the line, come down.
Very easy, no, ma'am.
Very easy. This is upper letter E, lower letter E. Can you say, Shailaja?
E.
Upper letter E.
Lower letter.
Very
E.
good.
This is
Upper letter.
capital letter also saying, no, ma'am.
Capital letter also, small letter
Small letter
also.
also, okay.
But to be comfortable, upper letter E, lower letter E. Now we are moving to next
Next
letter.
letter.
E after?
E after F.
Yeah, very good. Keeping your point on the pink or red line, standing line.
Standing.
Stop. Okay? Sleeping line.
Sleeping
And then small sleeping line. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is upper letter F.
Upper letter F.
F. If it is coming downside, what will happen?
That is wrong, no, ma'am.
That is wrong and ma'am will not give you star.
Yes, ma'am.
Understand? This
Okay,
is F.
F.
Now we will write that lower letter F. I said that time only few letters can reach the red or pink line. Understand? This is F. This is lower letter F. Understand? Now we'll move to the next letter G. G. Curve, go up, touch the line.
Okay.
Understand? On the line exactly, sleeping line, standing line.
Okay, ma'am.
Understand?
Yes, ma'am. Very
Right,
easy, ma'am.
left curve, go up, sleeping line, standing line. This is upper letter G.
Upper letter G.
G. Can you say what is this?
Lower letter F.
Very good. Now we are writing lower letter. First do circle, then come down, touch
Standing
the
line.
line.
Standing line.
Yes. Is this correct or not? I told you not to come here. Now is this correct or not?
Correct, ma'am.
Correct.
Yes, I know,
Because this is lower letter.
letter.
Upper letter can be write only in three lines. Understand? Down and little bit up. This is lower letter G.
Lower letter G.
Exactly. Now we'll move to next letter. Standing line. Standing line.
Two standing lines, ma'am.
Exactly. Sleeping
One
line.
sleeping line.
Yes. H.
H.
Upper letter H.
Upper letter H.
H. Now we are writing lower letter H.
Upper letter H. Lower letter H.
Exactly correct. In your notebook, same lines will continue. You have to maintain all the letters like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you
Very
ready?
Easy, ma'am.
Then will you submit all the homeworks exactly in the line?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Let us do high five. Perfect. Now let us do recapitulation of few words.
Oral
Can you
words,
come here? Yes, oral words. Can you come here? Very good. These all are the words.
Okay, ma'am. Words.
A for Amma.
A for Amma.
I like my mom. Do you like?
Yes, ma'am.
Amma is a great person, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Amma is great person and she take care of all of us.
Yes, ma'am.
And she will be sacrificing lot of things because of that. Don't you feel she is so great?
So great, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. I feel
B
so
for
great. B
brother.
for brother.
Always I would like to play with my brother.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
all play with your brother?
Yes, ma'am. I have
Exactly.
2 brothers, ma'am.
Oh, is it?
Yes,
brother means elder one.
Yes, ma'am.
Can be younger one also. Elder one means who all are great in the age.
Okay, ma'am.
C for
C.
classroom.
C for classroom.
I like my classroom. Do you
Yes,
like my
ma'am.
classroom?
I also like.
D for daddy. I love my daddy. Do you love my daddy? Do you
Daddy, ma'am.
do you love your daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
I know that. E for earth.
Earth. E for earth.
You know what is earth? Earth is a planet in the solar system. We are living in this planet. We are living in this planet. Earth is a planet where we all are living. F for family. What is family? Grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, mom, dad, and uncle, auntie, sisters. Everyone together lives in a same shelter or same home or house. Those members are considered as family. Family means all the persons togetherly lives in same house.
Okay, ma'am.
G for globe.
G for
Globe. What is globe? Earth. We cannot show the earth to children. I cannot take and show you this is earth. This is the copy of the earth. It can be this artificial. Okay. G for glow.
G for glow.
Exactly. H for it is in sweet.
Honey.
Exactly. Do you like honey?
Yes, ma'am.
Honey
I like
is
so
good.
much, ma'am.
Honey is good for health.
Okay, ma'am.
I for India. I for
I for India.
India. We have to be proud to be an Indian
Yes,
because India is our country. J for jungle. What do you mean by jungle? Jungle is nothing but forest.
Forest, ma'am.
All the wild
Animals and all
animals.
is
Yes,
there.
all the wild animals lives in the forest. Forest is nothing but jungle.
Okay, ma'am.
K for you have another subject like English, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Kannada. In the Karnataka, the language, the mother language is Kannada. In the Karnataka, the mother language is Kannada. Kannada is also one of the language. I hope you all are learned very well. I hope you also understand very
Yes,
well,
ma'am. I
right?
understand,
So
ma'am.
let us meet you all in the next online session.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.